Hello children, today we are going to read the poem Why. So let's begin. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why by the by? He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. So this is a short poem about a curious little boy who is always asking why. You have already read this word earlier in many questions. This is a question word. Why? You use this word in the questions where you want to know the reason. So, why is a word which is used to make questions, to ask questions. Questions where you want to know reason behind something. वाई हम यूज़ करते हैं क्वेश्चंस बनाने के लिए या क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए, और किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस जिसमें आपको किसी चीज़ का रीज़न पूछना होता है कि वो ऐसा क्यों है. तो आइए एक बार लाइन बाय लाइन इस पोएम को रीड करते हैं. आई नो अ क्यूरियस लिटिल बॉय who is always asking why. So, there is a curious little boy. Who is curious? Curious is someone who wants to know more, who wants to get more and more information. That person is curious. And this curious little boy is always asking why. In everything he asks why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why by the by? So in everything this curious little boy is asking why. कि ऐसा क्यों है, वो हर चीज़ में रीज़न पूछता है. He wants to know why wood should swim. So he wants to know why wood swims in water. Have you ever seen a wood in water? Wood never sinks. कभी पानी में लकड़ी नहीं डूबती है. It always floats on water. So this boy wants to know why wood should swim. Why lead and marbles sink. And why these lead and marbles, they sink in water. They never swim or float in water. लेड और मार्बल जो है ये पानी में कभी भी फ्लोट नहीं करते हैं, ऊपर नहीं रहते हैं, ये सिंक करते हैं, ये डूब जाते हैं. सो दिस बॉय वांट्स टू नो व्हाई लेड एंड मार्बल्स सिंक. लेड इज़ अ मेटल, एक मेटल होता है जो बहुत हैवी होता है. सो हैवी है तो वो सिंक करता है. सन शुड शाइन. सो दिस बॉय वांट्स टू नो why sun should always shine. And wind should blow. And why wind should always blow. And why we eat and drink. Why do we eat food and why do we drink water and juices, milk, etc. So this boy wants to know. He wants to know what makes the clouds. So he wants to know what is the thing that makes the clouds. बादल किस चीज़ के बने हैं. and why they cross the sky, and why do they cross the sky, वो आसमान में क्यों एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. This boy wants to know. And why sinks the sun behind the hills? Behind means पीछे. सूरज क्यों पहाड़ों के पीछे छुप जाता है. ठीक है. सिंक्स मतलब डूबना. अब देखो ये सूरज डूब रहा है पहाड़ों के पीछे. सो why the sun sinks behind the hills, and why the flowers die. Why do flowers die? Die means flowers मुरझा जाते हैं. क्यों मुरझा जाते हैं? This curious little boy wants to know. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try. So some of these questions are not too hard. ये questions hard नहीं है. If you'll try, अगर आप इसका reason सोचने की कोशिश करो, ढूंढने की कोशिश करो, so these why questions are not very hard. You can answer them. कुछ questions जो वो पूछ रहा है, you can answer them if you try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. और बाकी कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे भी हैं जिसका रीज़न अभी तक किसी ने पता नहीं लगाया है. सो द रीज़न इज़ येट टू बी फाउंड. उसका रीज़न अभी पता करना बाकी है. कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आप कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ विल लुक एट सम न्यू वर्ड्स फ्रॉम दिस पोएम. क्यूरियस. CURIOUS. Curious. Curious is someone who is eager to know something. जो कुछ जानना चाहता है. उत्सुक. जिज्ञासु हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं इसे. eager to know something. जो कुछ जानना चाहता है. lead. a heavy metal. lead होता है एक heavy metal. heavy है इसीलिए it sinks in water. पानी में डूब जाता है. marbles. small balls made of glass. So what are marbles? Marbles are the small balls made up of glass. Reason. 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 A cause of an action. किसी चीज़ के पीछे जो वजह है, that is reason. Now we'll look at some rhyming words. Words that rhyme due to same last few letters. So these are some rhyming words which are rhyming because of same last letters, like fun, run, bun. They have U and at the end. सेम लास्ट लेटर्स है इसलिए सेम साउंड है इनका एंड में. सो दैट इज वाई दे आर राइमिंग. मैप, कैप, टैप. हियर AP is repeating in every word. Tell, sell, bell. ELL is repeating here. New, few, grew. So EW is repeating here. Train, rain, brain. RAIN is repeating here. Mail, fail, jail. So this word is repeating here. Watch, catch, match. So here ATCH is repeating. So these are a few rhyming words which are rhyming because of same ending letters. So now here we have some rhyming words in which last letters are different, but still they have same sound, due to which they are rhyming words. For, roar, shore. So here last letters are different, but still they have same pronunciation at the end. Right, height, kite. Fruit, root, brood. One, run, bun, one. Right, bite, fight, height. Slow, go, no. Trees, breeze, knees. So here we have done some rhyming words in which last few letters are different but still they have similar sound. Rhyming words from the poem. Why, buy. Sink, drink. Sky, die. Why, try. So these are some of the rhyming words from this poem. Now this is your homework. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentences. In each of these sentences you can see some colored word. And in this blank you will write the rhyming word of this colored word. So one question is done here. Why is the sky so high? So sky and why are rhyming. Now do you know the color of dash? Now you will write rhyming word of know here. For example, you can write, do you know the color of snow? Have you found who made the? Now you will use rhyming word of found in this blank. Just try to think. Put the glass in the sink after you finish your. So rhyming word of sink will complete this sentence. So this is your homework. Just try to complete it. Thank you.